In this video, I'm soldering on a new charge port DC jack for a laptop motherboard. Here you can see that I'm just tacking down the port on this side so it stays in place. And then when I go to flip the board over to work on the other side, it won't fall out, basically. So then now that the board is flipped, I can work on really getting the solder in through the holes and securing the anchors of the port and the connector pin at the back of the port that sends the power through to the motherboard. So I'm just working to secure all of these and make sure there's enough solder and that it flows all the way through the board. So this port is very, very sturdy and it doesn't just uh, break and break the solder joints and come apart or break off the board again once it's back in and is being used. I think charging ports get used a lot. It's one of the most used parts on the laptop. So this has to be very, very secure so that it doesn't break off again or get pushed into the machine um, when when the plug is being pushed in and out of the port itself. So just doing some last touch-ups here, and then I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning up the flux to get it ready to install the board back inside the laptop. And there you go, all cleaned up.